Hello students, this is chapter 5 of geography and the name of the chapter is Major Domain of the Earth, and this is the last video of this chapter. Biosphere, the domain of life. On Earth, wherever life is able to survive, that place will be known as biosphere. So biosphere, it is a zone, it is the area where land, water, air, all the three important components we get, that part of the earth is known as biosphere. It is a very unique zone on the earth because it provides all the supporting system for life. So on this biosphere, as its name is biosphere, so bio means life, and on earth only two category of the species that have a life, that is plant and animal. So the organism in the biosphere may broadly be divided into plant kingdom and animal kingdoms. So this is the zone of the earth where human being, animal, plants are found. So this is the zone where living and non-living organisms interact with each other and help each other and also affect life each other. Let's see how it's happened. In the first picture you can see that there is animal who are using water for drinking, taking air for breathing. It's mean there is a relationship between atmosphere and animal as well as with their plants also, because for means for quenching their thirst they need water, but for eating the food they have to take plants. It's mean there is a relationship between plant kingdom, animal kingdom as well as with their environment. On the other hand, sometimes some activity of human also affect affect the biography as well as the atmosphere of the surrounding, like the cutting of forest. Human cut the forest to fulfill its need, but what's happened? Its result, it ultimately lead to the um, lead to the wash away of the soil from the upper part of the earth. And what's happened? This ultimately lose the fertility of the soil, and this lead to the deforestation. So what is happening here? Here the activity of the human affect the quality of a land, affect the quality of a non-living non-living part of the earth. In the second situation, you see here is a drought occur. What is the meaning of drought? When on some places for a long time rain do not occur, so that area will be insufficient water under the ground as well as in the atmosphere. So that land cannot produce crop. So it's mean that area occur a drought. So in the drought situation, it ultimately devastated the life of the human. So here you can see that atmosphere, that environment and human life is connect with each other. ठीक है, environment human को इफेक्ट करता है और human भी अपने surrounding को इफेक्ट करता है. Now the earthquake. What's happened in earthquake? Earthquake, it is a change. It is something. It is a shivering of the when land shiver. So whatever the building on the land, it can be destroyed. So अगर ये destroy होगी तो human की death हो सकती है, बड़ी बड़ी buildings गिर सकती है. तो this is a natural process, but ultimately affect the human life. In the last figure, you can see that discharge of waste. From where this waste material is coming? It may be come from industry, it may be come from house. So if it will be discharged in the river sources, then the river source will be dirty. And that river part, if that river water will be dirty, so fish will die. And also when this water will be used by the human, then human will suffer from many type of diseases. तो आपको समझ में आ रहा होगा कि कैसे इन्वायरमेंट में अगर चेंज होगा तो उससे ह्यूमन की लाइफ इफेक्ट होगी. So in this way you can see that all the three sphere, lithosphere, atmosphere and hydrosphere, can affect the life of the human, and human daily activity also affect the natural sphere of the atmosphere. Global warming. Global warming, this term is given when the temperature of the earth increase from a normal temperature. That situation is known as a global warming. Let's see how it's happened. As you know that carbon dioxide in a very small amount present in our atmosphere. And what is the function of it? This gas maintain the temperature over the earth. मतलब अर्थ पर जो एक टेम्परेचर बना हुआ है जिसमें अर्थ हमारी बहुत ठंडी भी नहीं है बहुत गर्म भी नहीं है, तो ये बिकॉज ऑफ द एटमॉस्फेयर. और एटमॉस्फेयर में भी कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड की वजह से है. बिकॉज कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड क्या करती है, सन से जो एनर्जी आती है वो अर्थ में एब्जॉर्ब हो जाती है, और जब अर्थ उस एनर्जी को रिलीज करती है तो ये कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड उसको ट्रैप कर लेती है और अर्थ के टेम्परेचर को मेंटेन करती है. तो दिस इज अ नॉर्मल सिचुएशन. But what's happening today life? Today on our earth there is many type of industry. We are using vehicles and many transport system are present. Thermal power plant are creating electricity. तो ये सभी प्रोसेस के कारण इंडस्ट्री and vehicles, thermal power plant, these are emitting gases. These are emitting polluting gases, and in that gases there is a huge amount of carbon dioxide. So when these industries emit gases, the amount of a carbon dioxide in the atmosphere increase. तो नॉर्मल सिचुएशन में बहुत ही कम कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड है, लेकिन इंडस्ट्रीज व्हीकल जो स्मोक निकाल रहे हैं उसमें उसके वजह से कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड का अमाउंट एनवायरनमेंट में बढ़ जाता है. तो व्हाट्स हैपन, इट रिजल्ट्स दैट नाउ कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड विल ट्रैप मोर एंड मोर हीट फ्रॉम द रेडिएटेड फ्रॉम द अर्थ. और जब वो ज़्यादा हीट लेगी इट्स मीन अर्थ पर ज़्यादा टेम्परेचर हो जाएगा. एंड व्हेन अर्थ टेम्परेचर विल इंक्रीज इट्स मीन इट विल इंक्रीज द warmth situation over the earth. तो इसको हम क्या बोलेंगे, now the global warming occurring on the earth surface. What is the result of that? What is the bad effect of it? Is that the speed of the glacier melting has increased. Okay, rainfall का जो time period है वो change हो गया है. जहाँ पे ज़्यादा पानी बरसता था वहाँ कम बरसने लगा है, जहाँ पे कम पानी बरसता था वहाँ ज़्यादा बरसने लगा है. And it also affect the life of the human as well as the plant also. So in this condition we as a human are responsible for this global warming. So we are a human who can change this situation also. ठीक है, हम क्या कर सकते हैं, हम पब्लिक ट्रांसपोर्ट का यूज़ करें, हम CNG का यूज़ करें गाड़ियों को चलाने के लिए, और जो पोल्यूटिंग गैस में कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड ज़्यादा इमिट हो रही है उसको अपनी टेक्नोलॉजी चेंज करके उस कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड के अमाउंट को कम कर सकते हैं. In this way we can maintain the balance of the temperature over the earth surface, and in this way there will be balance between the lithosphere, atmosphere and hydrosphere, and all the living organism over the earth will live happily. So here this chapter is